G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and welcome back to another episode of Happy Flying number 32. We're going to talk about some, great things you can do to make sure you have a blast when you're out flying. But the first things first, look at this wind. Like, it is absolutely crazy, and I don't know what's going on with the weather down here in Australia, but it has been very difficult to actually get out and fly. And sort of trying to organize with Trevor and Cal, the weather has not been very nice whatsoever. It's been like a month, 4 weekends in a row. It's been very difficult to actually get out there and fly around. And what we've got here, I guess today we're all talking about having fun when you're flying around, and this is my number one tip. If you're new to the hobby, what you really need to do, you might love drone racing, you love like the feeling when you're flying around, it's absolutely incredible, but the number one thing you can do to I found to boost my enjoyment of the hobby and just get into it so much more is meet up with a group of people. And I'm sure people are going to say this down in the comments below and agree with me that there's nothing like flying with a group of mates. It just brings a bunch of people together, and when you're chasing your friends, having a bit of rivalry, even just following them, doing some formation flying, all that sort of stuff, going out to new spots, honestly, this hobby is one of the best ways I've found for guys and girls to sort of get together, meet up, and just have something in common that they can sort of share their passion about FPV with. Now look, I know a lot of people, they already fly in groups and all that sort of stuff. That's not really who I'm trying to speak to today. I want to speak to those new pilots or pilots who are flying, by themselves, because I flew alone by myself for one whole year before I met other pilots. But if that's you, I can't stress enough how much more fun and how much you're going to love the hobby even more, and how much better it is if you can actually find a group to fly with. So I'm going to put my Discord link down below. I know a lot of pilots have been meeting up there. I'll put like Reddit multicopter, you can go join that out. Go check out your local Facebook groups, all that sort of stuff. But I can't stress enough, just go out on a whim, even if it seems a bit daunting, meeting people and stuff like that. Most of the people, 99% of the people who are actually probably higher than that, almost every single person that I've met in this hobby, they love flying around, they love FPV, and they're happy to talk shop. So if that's you, if you're a pilot who's flying them by yourself at the moment, really make an effort to go out and meet some people, because I can almost guarantee you're not going to regret it and you're going to have an awesome time. Now these flights you're seeing here, look, they're a little bit tamer because, I almost clipped that tree here. Even though I did mean to come in for a landing, I probably didn't mean to be as close as I wanted to that tree. But these flights are a little bit tame, so we might cut out when we flew around. This is a bit prior, a couple of weeks earlier we flew around. This one was just with Trev and Crash Test Cal, and this one was a little bit faster, so we built just a track for speed, just to sort of really punish our batteries, do a bit of battery testing. And the batteries, when I was out here, they came down so hot. We were absolutely ripping around. Very fast track, not too technical, but the need for speed was definitely there, and it was a lot of fun. Now, I guess some other news as well for you people listening out there. Hopefully the weather, I'm going to actually go out flying with Cal later on today. We're going to go test some goggles, maybe some little micros in some smaller parts, some little bits of the woods down near the river or something, where we can sort of hopefully be protected from the wind. I've got a heap of part 1s that I want to show you, but it's just making it really difficult to get the part 2s filmed because of the weather. So that's all coming up on the channel. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related content. I'm going to leave you with the rest of this flight, and I just want to say again, and put your comments down in the put your comments down below for those pilots who do fly with people. Let these new pilots know how much fun it is, why they should go and join, because I can almost guarantee everyone, it's just such a welcoming place. Our hobby's absolutely amazing, and there's nothing better than flying around with mates. So if that's you, you're a lone pilot, please just put yourself out there, even just once, no matter how daunting it is. I can almost guarantee you're going to have a great time, and it's just going to take your FPV experiences to the next level. Anyway, enough rambling from me. Subscribe for more FPV related content. Miss that gate, and as always, happy flying. Alrighty, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Definitely subscribe if you're new to the channel and check out these videos. And I'm also going to leave a little link here to my Patreon page, because I've got some fantastic Patreon supporters and I like to give back to them as well. So if you want to join the UAVfutures family, there's things like bonus Velcro straps, little bundles of FPV goodies and things like that that also get sent out. Anyway, happy flying.